All right, man. Shit. Okay. So we're gonna continue off building the AI or the YouTube Shorts clipper. Essentially, basic idea: you feed it some video, and then it'll analyze that video. It'll process it. After which, it'll create several clips of that long video. So that's the basic premise of the project. Let's get to implement this, man. Okay, so I believe last time I left off and we were able to do this, but I interrupted it. Well, one, because I was just tired, and two, I was not going to sit there and wait because this has to be faster. There has to be. Is there another. Like, look, at the end of the day, I think I'm still gonna have to end up waiting like a good amount of time for hour-long videos, but I don't know. Instead of processing the entire video, we could split into smaller chunks, process these chunks in parallel. Helpful for our. So, this chunk-based approach isn't bad, but what I'm thinking, I think a pitfall of chunk-based processing is like, so you have chunk A, chunk B, chunk C, right? And they're each 5 minutes. What if in between chunk A and chunk B, that in between, like, what if there's a clip in there where it like, it's towards the end of chunk A, but then it starts at the start of chunk B, like, you know? So that can work, but I don't know. Currently, we're transcribing the entire video, which is very time consuming. Instead, we could use audio energy and scene detection as primary indicators. Only transcribe segments that show high potential, high energy, high audio energy, plus good scene transitions, or skip transcription entirely and rely on other metrics. Current optimized scene detection. Current scene detection is analyzing every frame. We could reduce the frame rate for scene detection. Implement a more aggressive threshold. First pass, quick analysis using just audio and basic energy detection. Second pass, detailed analysis including transcription only on promising segments. I like this. This is fast. Do some basic scene detection at reduced frame rate. Best balance of speed. Yeah, I like the two-pass approach. We could potentially reduce processing by 70 to 80% while maintaining good. Yes. Okay. So I like the two-pass approach. Let's go ahead and implement it. Alright, well, oh, damn. I've implemented the two-pass approach with several optimizations. Quick scene detection with frame skipping and aggressive thresholds, fast audio analysis with lower sample rate and larger frame size, only selects top 20 potential segments based on audio energy. Only transcribes the promising segments identified in first pass, transcribes segments individually rather than the whole video, uses engagement scoring to make final selection, reduce frame rate, lower audio sample, 16 kilo. Oh. I guess that's interesting. 16 kilohertz pops up again. So if you guys, so if you paid attention or if you watched the other video where I'm actually building out the app that I'm working on, it Whisper uses, well, I use Whisper, right? And Whisper is just an AI model that transcribes audio and video into text. So you feed it an audio or a video, it outputs English readable text from that audio or video from whatever the speaker was speaking from, right? But in there, they also use 16 kilohertz. So, well, I guess this gets to audio processing, and I don't really know much about audio processing in terms of, compute. But I guess that's the easiest way to handle. I don't know. I have to look more into it, but that's interesting. Larger hop length for audio analysis, selective transcription for promising segments, caching of intermediate. Oh my god, look at that. 1 to 2 minutes, second pass will only process 30 to... Dude, this should be fucking quick then. Would you like to test the optimized version? Okay, so this two-pass approach is great. However, what we have to test is if... So, let me show you. No. Okay, so I have, if I can spell right, I have this bash function that essentially uses FFmpeg to normalize the audio of whatever file I give it. So if I do this and then I give it the file, it'll try and equal out the whole volume of the video, just so it's like at a consistent rate. What I'm curious in testing is if that affects clip and audio, like if it affects the video, right? Because if I just have some raw video, right? If I have a raw video and then I feed it to this normalize, if I feed it, oh, whatever. If I feed it to this normalize audio function, what's the output, right? Or sorry, not the output. So I have a raw file, I normalize the audio, and then I get normalized. And then I get a normalized video, right? I wonder if I would have to feed the normalized video to... Sorry, no, hold on, let me gather my thoughts. I wonder if normalizing the audio affects the processing that we're doing here. Because it says here... Where is it? Something about audio energy. Well, it detect like... Okay, can you... First let's test this, right? And then we can ask it questions about how it works. Actually, what am I doing? So this... this. So process that, and now let's and output same directory. Okay, so it activates it, and then you run it. Tiny. Fuck it. Let's see. What the fuck? I just got a tornado warning for San Francisco. I mean, I don't live in SF. Thank God, low key. But what the fuck? Like a tornado warning in Cali? California? What the fuck? Hey, y'all boys stay safe out there in SF. Okay. I wonder what issue it's running into. So scene manager. Okay, so it's trying to get scenes, but is it a logic bug or is it? I don't think it's a syntax bug. Yeah, I think that's just a logic bug. Because now it looks like it's working. Let's see. Okay, well, it looks like it's using cores, but I don't know about the GPU. Why is it taking forever? Let's see. Let's see how long this takes, right? This shouldn't take that long. Yeah, look, I'm already through a minute. Eight, 9. Oh, okay. Okay, so we got through the transcription. It says video load successfully. Video has audio track. In the meantime, let's search up like why. So audio. How does audio processing work? How does audio processing work in computers? I have a CS degree, so please be specific. Sure. Ah, fuck. Let's so this thing says audio processing computers involves converting sound waves into digital signals, manipulating those signals, and potentially converting back into analog signals for playback. Analog to digital conversion. This continuous analog audio sampling rate defines how many times. So the sampling rate is 16 kilohertz that we're using and that Whisper uses as well. You know what? Let me be specific. Why does Whisper, CPP, and seemingly a lot of audio processing libraries, AIs, etc. use a sample rate of 16 kilohertz? What the fuck? What happened here? I see a few issues. Let me update the code to handle these errors. Oh, it errored out? Fuck. So wait, hold on. Did it even do anything? Okay, well it created the folder, but oh, actually it created the folder. Wait, what? Why is it 16, dude? What the fuck? Oh, wait, no. This is, I'm tripping. That's not that. Okay. So this, okay, so this transcription is from an old... Alright, let me clean this shit up. RM... Transcriptions... RMRF... Chi... Clips... And then RMF... Chi... Okay, so I just have two videos in there. Just a Kai Sanat video and then a lecture video. Let me rename this. This and then yeah, it's good. All right. I've made several improvements to make the code more robust, simplified scene detection, added fallback, lowered threshold to catch more potential segments, added time-based segmentation. I don't know why it's changing this, because it errored out, right? So instead of trying to fix the error, or maybe that was the error, I don't know. Scene detection error. Yeah, no. So this looks like just a like it doesn't know how to use this API or library or whatever, because it's saying it has no attribute close, right? High sound failed. Try audio read. Another thing it could be is that it also can't do WebM files. So I don't know. And then this isn't even a video, this is just audio. So you know what? Let me delete this. Okay, now we're watching that directory to So we're watching the directory, see if any files show up. In the meantime, sample rate of 16 kilohertz is commonly used in audio processing libraries and AI applications like Whisper for several practical and technical reasons. Speech focus applications, human speech frequency range. Most of the energy in human speech lives within the range of 300 hertz and 3.4 kilohertz. While full human hearing extends to around 20 kilohertz, capturing higher frequencies isn't essential for understanding speech. Oh. That's interesting. So human speech is between this range, and our ears can't even perceive anything higher than this, right? That's actually really smart. And then according to Nyquist's theorem, a sample rate of 16 kilohertz can accurately reproduce frequencies up to 8 kilohertz. This covers all the critical information for speech recognition without wasting resources on inaudible or irrelevant frequencies. Yeah, this is it makes sense because higher frequency would require higher compute, right? Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, and then you save on processing and memory. Yeah, that makes sense. Downsample to 16, keeping the same rate ensures compatibility and consistent performance. Common audio features like MFCCs, male frequency. Alright, let's go back to the other video. Dude, what the fuck? So wait. So hold on. What is it? What are the errors that you're running into? Let's talk about this first. The transcription command might not be working. Okay, let's first get a proper transcription. On my system, I have an alias called transcribe audio. You can analyze this with which transcribe audio, but essentially you have three main flags. The first is and you give it some input file. The second is -- output, and this determines where the transcription will go. Finally, you have -- model, which transcribes, which determines the model to be used for transcription. The model I want you to use is base.en, which should also be the default model. However, for our purposes, let's I think that's it, right? So let me see. Which no, I think it should just be transcribe, right? Yeah. So it isn't transcribe audio, but just transcribe. Cool. Should also be the default model. However, for our purposes, let's explicitly define now after you integrate let's just handle transcription, right? Let's try running the script with our video to test the transcription. Yeah. I don't think that's gonna work. Bro, why the fuck is it using tiny? Yeah. Yeah, transcribing the whole video is fine. Eventually, I also want to add colorful and dynamic subtitle captions, so I think it's best to first transcribe the entire audio, to transcribe the entire video. To transcribe the video, you can use the transcribe alias. Just remember, this alias already includes input. That should be fine. Creating cache files. I don't even know what these cache files are or what they do. So this is not gonna be right. That should be fine. Okay. How the fuck is it? How the fuck does it do this? Anyways, I guess this is just like really fucking fast. But ensure we have enough scenes. Okay, it's actually saving the clips. What the fuck? Let's see. Let's see. See what they talking about.
Come on, cause I still see what you done doing, nigga.
Yeah, I've been doing anything. Working, just like you.
I ain't gonna lie, chat.
Wait, so why was you at the airport?
Chat, I walked into this Chick-fil-A, gang.
Wait, at the airport? Oh.
I seen Duke and shit.
You was...
I ain't gonna lie. Word.
Word.
Alright, we out. Come on.
I mean, that's a... I don't know if it's all that great, to be honest with you.
Bro,
These guys.
listen, I I seen a girl on the flight.
Okay.
I get out the airport. He's parked out front.
Put two. KC3K.
He's parked out front. Right? In a black
like he's
truck.
waiting for somebody.
Oh, you're
waiting for the
He's not there for me. He's not picking Duke Dennis up at the airport.
Oh, you didn't get in a car with him? Wait, he didn't even know he was gonna pick him there.
He
Wait.
wasn't there for me.
I bet.
Plus, I don't need Kyle to pick me up from the airport. You know what I'm saying? I can get my own way home.
Facts.
He was, whatever he was doing there.
This beat up's a bitch, bro. He's like, yeah.
That don't mean nothing, gang. That don't mean nothing, gang. Like, chat, that don't mean nothing, chat. Who agree, chat? If it don't mean nothing, say facts. If it don't mean nothing, say facts, gang. You think I wouldn't tell you?
No, but see, then again, I know you would too.
Come on,
That's
gang.
probably why I got 16 though.
Come on,
That's
gang.
probably why I got 16.
I mean, okay, look, these clips aren't that bad, right? Especially for like the first implementation of this.
See what if she's like pass or fail. Or you should do it. Oh my god. Okay,
bro.
what journey you on?
Bro, I'm on a journey, bro. I'm trying to.
Okay, tell me what journey you on.
And like just self-improvement in general.
Boy, you been saying that for the last 6 months, gang.
I've been working on myself. What have you been doing?
I've been chilling, nigga.
I've been chilling.
Bitch, what you heard, bitch?
Okay, first off, I haven't seen that. Let's not do that. I'm gonna talk to you about that too.
Boy, it's this little bro.
I'm
I'm here for 21 days, gang.
Yeah,
He came on day 4.
Come on now.
I'm on it.
Oh yeah, come on now. All right.
Vivo!
You have to say. I think it's only.
I mean,
I think it only sound like that because you saying. What me?
Yo, that's coming from.
I wouldn't say they're bad, right?
Like.
In the bros and
Because
shit.
it's this for real.
Come on.
Alright, so that's the Kai Cenat video. Whoa, what happened? I see the issue. The transcribe alias isn't available to sub-process. Oh, okay. Alright, yeah, I like this approach better. Let's accept that. And then alright, now let's do it on one of my videos, right? What the fuck? So, can you also... Okay, I think I can just do this myself. Hold on. So this output file segment Alright, I think it'll save it with this, perhaps. What I'm trying to do is trying to save the transcription as well. OBS. Let's see. The same place where the video lives. Yeah, like this. Let's okay, so we gotta find a video. One of my videos. Oh, that's 3 hours. Too long. I think this one's fine, right?
Alright, man. We back at it like a crack addict. Shit.
Yeah, this is fine. Let's clip up the following video. Might have to end up changing this base one to small, because I think small.en, that model is more accurate and better than the base one, but it's also a little slower because it's better, right? It has more parameters. That model was trained on more parameters. So that should be like a 50-minute video. It should take around, I don't know, man, like 2 minutes, 3 minutes max for it to transcribe. So it's 136. It should be done like 138, 39-ish. We'll see. Oh, it took a minute. That's even better. I see. What? Oh, what the fuck? But isn't this shit still running? Yeah, this shit is still running. I think it's this one, right? Today is... No, it's not this one. Is it? No, I don't think it is. Tokenize using the HF. Yeah, I don't see anything increasing or decreasing. Fuck. Okay, let me slash bin bash c source. So you source, what the fuck is it sourcing, bro? This isn't gonna, what the fuck, dude? Honestly, I might as well just fucking make my own transcription method, because this shit is having so many fucking issues that it's not fun. And then I think I should like, holy fuck, bro. Let's see what it comes up with. Because it's obviously running, and it's doing something. It's not maxing out my CPU. Alright, well I guess we just keep on waiting. Oh wait, what? So, wait, oh, I'm fucking confused, what? I don't know. Nobody knows the trouble I've seen. Nobody knows my sorrow. Come on, man. It shouldn't take that long to transcribe this. Pretty sure it's been more than 2 minutes. It's still transcribing. I don't know if I believe that. Let me find that first and second pass stuff that I was talking about. So when I come back to this later, I'm able to open up a new window, and it's able to just pick off where it left off. Come on. copy this. Strategy for yeah. And this thing is still going, dude. Fuck this. I'm not. Fuck that. Yeah, I'm gonna just stop it here and then pick it back up later. But I think I know how to approach this. I like that 2-pass approach that is suggested. So I think first, what we'll probably do, or what I'll probably end up doing, is just writing some function that transcribes the audio. So that way we have a transcription. From that transcription, we can analyze and read. We can analyze and we can read what the speaker says, what the speaker does, what the speaker says. And after the transcription, then we can select certain portions of it and we should be able to at least narrow down clips of interest, because that transcription should also have a timestamp associated with the words that were said on that timestamp. So if we can analyze and perform sentiment analysis on just the transcription, we'll be able to quickly clip up the video. So I think that's the plan of attack right now. Have it transcribe reliably. After that, have it implement all of this that I'm talking about and that it suggested. So yeah, cool.